Hello everyone. Today we are looking a new concept from our lesson fraction, which is very important for your scholarship exam. That is fraction. So in that we already learned about the different types of a fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Now we are looking a conversion between mixed fraction and improper fraction. So for that first we learned actual what is meant by improper fraction and mixed fraction, how it is written. So improper fraction, how we identify given fraction is improper fraction. So for that we have to check numerator and denominator. If a fraction is given to you and from that numerator is greater than the denominator, means that fraction is a improper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, then here numerator is 11, which is greater than denominator 3. So that is why this fraction is a improper fraction. And next is a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction means one complete number along with the fraction is given. That fraction is called as a mixed fraction. And how we read it? 2 and a 1 upon 3. Mixed fraction means one complete number along with the fraction. It is called as a mixed fraction. 2 and a 1 upon 3. So now we are looking first type, that is conversion between mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Means such mixed fraction is given to you and we have to convert it into a improper fraction. So let's do it. How to convert mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Here one question is given, convert 3 and a 2 upon 7. How to which number we have to convert? 3 and 2 upon 7 into a improper fraction. आपल्याला मिक्स नंबर दिलाय 3 and 2 upon 7. We have to convert into improper fraction. And for that a simple method is used. So look at that simple method. First write down the given mixed fraction 3 and 2 upon 7. Then what we have to do? First we have to perform multiplication between denominator and the complete number. So in these cross numbers, denominator multiply by this complete number, and in the multiplication of this we have to add the remaining numerator, and upon sign is there. I write down keep denominator as it is. So what is the formula? What we are doing here, when we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, we are first multiplying given denominator with the complete number, and in the answer of this multiplication we are adding a numerator, and upon keep denominator as it is, just give as a given in a example. So here which numbers? Denominator is 7 and complete number is 3. So we are doing a multiplication. 3 7s are, yes, I am writing here 7 multiplied by 3, plus we have to add this numerator, upon keep this 7 as it is. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is upon 7. 21 plus 2 is 23 upon 7. So this mixed fraction is converted into now improper fraction. Sir, check it is improper fraction or not. Yes, here numerator is greater. So this is a simple way. What we have to do? Do the multiplication of these numbers. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 numerator upon keep denominator as it is. This is a way to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we are looking how improper fraction is converted into a mixed fraction. If a fraction, normal fraction is given to you, improper fraction, and from that we have to make a mixed fraction. So how to make it? Here for that we use division method. Division knowledge we required. So let's check what is given. Convert 23 upon 5 into mixed fraction. What is given? Convert 23 upon 5 into mixed fraction. आपल्याला एक improper fraction दिलाय 23 upon 5. Now we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So for that what we have to do? So in that for the division we require divisor and dividend. So identify which one is a divisor and which one is a dividend from the given improper fraction. आता या improper fraction मध्ये the numerator is a dividend and denominator is a divisor. So what is our divisor? Our divisor is a 5 and numerator is our dividend, which is equal to 23. So let's do a division. 23 divided by 5. So we are checking first number 2, which is 2 is smaller than 5. So we cannot divide, कारण 5 च्या टेबल मध्ये फर्स्ट नंबर इज 5, 2 is not coming. So we are making a group of 2 number 23. So let's check the table of 5. Yes, 5 4s are 20, which is a number less than the 23 present in our table of 5. So 5 4s are 20, remainder is 3, and this is our quotient. So when we are converting improper fraction into mixed fraction, we have to follow this format to represent improper fraction into a proper fraction, into a mixed fraction. So first I am writing here improper fraction 23 upon 5. Now we have to make a improper fraction with the help of this division. So for that, what we have to do, one complete number we required in the mixed fraction. So this one complete number is our quotient. Then our numerator is our remainder and denominator is our divisor. So let's do it. For this fraction, what is the quotient? 4. So complete number 4. At numerator we are writing remainder. So complete number is quotient. So 4. Remainder is our numerator. So yes, 3 is a numerator and divisor is a denominator. So it is 5. So 4 and 3 upon 5 is a mixed fraction for the 23 upon 5. Now we can cross check this. Our answer of mixed fraction is correct or not, just like our given example. So for that we are using a previous method. Check 5 4s are, do the multiplication here. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 upon 5, 20 plus 3 23 upon 5. Yes, our answer is correct. So this alternate method you can use to verify your answer. And in a exam there may be a question asked to you, that is, look at this example. You can easily identify from the option what is the improper fraction 35 upon 8 can be written as. What is question given to you? Improper fraction 35 upon 8. We have to identify 35 upon 8, how we made it into a mixed fraction. So for that, use your options. So check first option. What is the first option? 4 and 8 upon 3. What is the first option? 4 and 8 upon 3. We have to represent 35 upon 8 with the help of this fraction. So instead of doing division, we know to make the improper fraction into mixed fraction we require a division. But instead of using division, we can easily use a shortcut method to identify this fraction. So how it is? Do this multiplication. 3 4s are plus 8 upon, keep denominator as it is. 3 4s are 12 plus 8 upon 3. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 upon 3, yes. But 20 upon 3 is not equal to 35 upon 8. So this is wrong. Then check next one. 4 and 3 upon 8. 4 and 3 upon 8. So we make same way. 8 multiply by 4 plus this denominator 3 upon, keep as it is 8. So answer is 8 4s are 32. 32 plus this 3 upon 8. 32 plus 3 is how many? 35. 35 upon 8. Yes, our mixed fraction 4 and 3 upon 8 equal to the 35 upon 8. So this is our answer, which is option number 3. So with the help of option you can easily identify fraction. Use the option, do the multiplication. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 5 upon. So this you can use for the with the help of a option to solve an example of fraction into a mix. Question is asked in your exam may like this: 20 upon 7 less than equal to 2 and a 1, which is number should you have to add a box present in this section. Option to you: आपल्याला काय करायचं, इथे या बॉक्समध्ये कोणता नंबर येणार आहे दॅट वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय अँड दिस नंबर मेक दिस फ्रॅक्शन. इथे जो नंबर आपण ऑप्शनमधून पुट करणार आहोत तो नंबर ठेवल्यानंतर अँड इफ वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस फ्रॅक्शन इंटू अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन इट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर दॅन दिस 20/7. म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे बघा, इथे डिनॉमिनेटर काय असणार आहे, सेम असणार आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी आर अप्लाइंग फर्स्ट रूल विथ द हेल्प वेन डिनॉमिनेटर इज इक्वल वी आर कम्पेअरिंग विथ द हेल्प ऑफ अ न्यूमरेटर. जेव्हा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम असणार आहे तेव्हा आपण काय करतोय, न्यूमरेटरची हेल्प घेतोय. सो इन दिस 20 लेस दॅन दिस नंबर मीन्स हिअर अ नंबर शुड बी कम विच इज अ ग्रेटर दॅन दिस 20. इथे जो काही नंबर येणार आहे तो 20 पेक्षा काय असला पाहिजे, ग्रेटर असणार आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी रिक्वायर्ड conversion of this mixed fraction. So we are starting from first option. Option first is 1. If we are putting 1 here, if I am putting here 1, so this fraction is given. First we have to make it into a this fraction improper fraction. So what we are doing, 7 to the 14 and in the 14 we have to add a number from done and upon denominator is 7. So in this 14 if we are adding first option 1, 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15 is not a greater than 20, so option number 1 is wrong. Then again option 2 is 2. We are adding 40 plus 2, 16. 16 is also not less than 20. So it is also not possible. Then 14 plus third option 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. Also 18 is not greater than 20. So next option is also cancelled. Now we are adding 8. 14 plus 8. Because 7 to the 14. 14 plus if we are adding here, putting here 8. 8, 4, it become 22. 22 upon denominator as it is 7. So yes, 22 is greater than this 20. So option number 4 is our correct answer. So in this section, if we are using an option to identify this answer, you can easily get the conversion. So in this way you can easily convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Thank you.